Tukuzi yake na bila shaka ni hadithi ambayo imeelezwa kwa maarufu zaidi ya kaunti. Ni furaha vile vile. Hii ni chai ya Kenya.
Kwa wafanyabiashara wetu, this is one of the greatest weeks of their times.
Our wakulima wetu that are here are at the bottom of the pyramid. So today we must listen to them because they must get full value for the hard work. Until such a time when our farmers will get full value for their hard work and the labor that they put in, we will not say that we have done our duty.
The end of this course, one of the things we are asking and looking forward to is to understand the brokerage market and be able to know that who is this group of people who are seated somewhere with very beautiful ties that would see that the price of tea in the auction market in Mombasa goes at 600 shillings a kilo, but here what goes to Cherop in the village is 18 shillings. It's the inverse.
Kenya produces one of the very best teas in the world, but is not able to attract the best price for it. That as KTNDA has set a price, a minimum price for every kilo of tea, then the other independent players are not bothered, are not worried, and can now even be able to sell their tea at a price lower than the $2.4.
And I want to assure you, like we did in coffee, ile yote mtasema tutarekebisha sheria na rais na mimi na waziri tutafuatilia, it will happen. I want to appreciate Senator Cheriot in a very special way for his efforts in pushing the Tea Act. Lakini baada ya hiyo sheria haijatekelezwa, imelaliwa, si ndio? Because the government that was there was not keen. Sheria iko nzuri, inaweza okoa mkulima, lakini the implementation, some people are still doing things the way they were doing before the enactment of the Tea Act. I want to give you an undertaking from Kericho on behalf of my boss, President William Ruto, that the reforms we are going to agree on, our two houses of parliament where we have the majority, the Senate and the National Assembly, will make the various amendments into law. Thereafter, the President and I and the ministers responsible will ensure 100% compliance with the law.